Cassava is one of the major staple food for millions of people in Africa. The crop is mostly cultivated on marginal land by smallholder farmers since it's had one growing season a year. But the food crop has constantly been attacked by mosaic brown streak virus, leading to loss of 45% yield in East Africa. The Cassava brown streak disease was first reported in 1935 in Tanzania but remained in East Africa until a new outbreak was reported in 2004 in Uganda. The devastating nature of the diseases poses a threat to food security, livelihood of consumers in Africa, as well as industrialization of the product into ethanol and starch. Speaking to Vasa One News in an interview in Kampala, a plant virologist at the National Crop Resources Research Institute, Dr. Titus Lesio, noted that the institute is developing transgenic virus-resistant cassava for East Africa, which is a genetically improvement of the crop for high yields, resistant against pests and diseases. He further explained that the product will not be released to the consumers unless it meets the biosafety standard, which is mandatory.
No GM product will be released to the consumers or to the farmers before and unless it has been tested for safety. That it has no toxins, it has no allergens, it has no effects in the environment if they are released in the environment, which is not done for the other methods of developing new varieties. Those kind of tests are not mandatory. GM is required.
Dr. Titus said vigilance is required among plant quarantine services in West Africa to prevent the spread of the virus.
Cassava brown streak disease is a very big risk to West Africa because that is the region that is a leading producer of cassava. So there is vigilance that is required with the plant quarantine services in these countries in West Africa. They need to make sure that this disease is not introduced to West Africa through cassava stems, basically.
He urged civil society groups in Africa to engage with scientists in the promotion of genetically modified food for Africa. From Uganda, Luanash reporting for Vasa One News.